The ice slug, Glacies vermis, colloquially known as the blue glow slug, is an invasive species of highly venomous gastropods that has infested the Northwestern United States. Known for its distinctive iridescent blue glow and the icy touch of its flesh, the ice slug is an animal that emerged in the wake of a global cataclysm in 1945 known as the Tear. This event, which led to a cosmic anomaly materializing at the edge of our solar system, resulted in the sudden appearance of various unknown and terrifying creatures, including the ice slug. Taxonomy. The ice slug, scientifically referred to as Glacies vermis, falls under the gastropod class, a large and diverse taxonomic class within the phylum Mollusca. However, this species notably distinguishes itself from other gastropods due to its extraterrestrial origins and unique physiological attributes. Description. The ice slug measures no more than 2 inches in length, comparable to the average size of terrestrial slugs. The creature's body is gelatinous and cold to the touch, a characteristic that has given rise to its common name. Its most striking feature, however, is the iridescent blue glow it emits, particularly noticeable under the cover of darkness. This glow, combined with its icy exterior, creates a seemingly enchanting spectacle that belies the creature's deadly nature. The ice slug also exhibits swarm or collective behavior, particularly during feeding or mating. This collective behavior, while fascinating, significantly amplifies the creature's threat level, especially considering its highly venomous nature. The touch of an ice slug inflicts an excruciatingly painful venomous sting. This venom, synthesized in specialized glands within the creature's body, causes intense pain that lasts for approximately 15 minutes. The pain is so severe that some victims have been known to resort to self-amputation to alleviate the torment. Despite numerous attempts, scientists have yet to devise an antidote to counteract the effects of the venom. Distribution and habitat. The ice slug is endemic to the northwestern United States, particularly around the Mollusca region. The first appearance of these creatures was recorded in 1974, after a meteorite struck the vicinity of Mollusca. Since then, the species has become a common sight in the region, posing a significant threat to local ecosystems and human populations. The ice slugs are carnivorous, with their primary source of sustenance being mammals. They display an alarming efficiency during feeding, with swarms of ice slugs capable of swiftly overpowering and consuming prey significantly larger than individual members. Reproduction. Ice slugs display swarm behavior during mating, similar to their feeding habits. While the specifics of their reproductive behavior remain largely unknown, observations suggest a complex and highly coordinated process involving multiple individuals' impact on humans. The ice slug's venomous sting, combined with its propensity to swarm, renders it a significant threat to humans. Touching the creature results in immediate and intense pain, often leading to panic and severe psychological distress. Given the lack of an effective antidote, the best course of action when encountering an ice slug is to maintain a safe distance and avoid physical contact. Scientific and societal significance. The ice slug's emergence following the cosmic event known as the Tear provides a profound example of xenobiology, the study of non-terrestrial life forms. As such, the species has become a focal point for scientific research, aiming to understand the broader implications of the Tear and its impact on our understanding of life in the universe. Despite the obvious dangers posed by the ice slug, some have found a perverse kind of beauty in the creature's glowing form, leading to a strange fascination with these deadly organisms. This has resulted in a surge of interest in the Tear and its otherworldly spawn, both in scientific circles and popular culture. Management and eradication efforts. Given the grave danger posed by the invasive ice slug's presence, especially during swarming events, the efforts to eradicate this species have escalated to unprecedented measures. The urgency of the situation has led to the implementation of various aggressive methods, including the use of poisons and controlled burns. To counteract the threat of ice slug swarms, researchers and local authorities have developed and employed specially formulated poisons designed to target these creatures effectively. The poisons are strategically placed in areas that are known to be frequented by ice slug swarms, These poisons have been engineered to act swiftly, delivering a lethal dose to the slugs upon contact or ingestion. However, the use of poisons raises concerns about potential collateral damage to the environment and other wildlife. Efforts are being made to carefully evaluate and monitor the effects of these poisons on the local ecosystem while balancing the need for rapid eradication. Controlled burns as a last resort. In cases where the ice slug swarms become particularly large and uncontrollable, local authorities have resorted to using controlled burns as a last resort to combat the invasion. Controlled burns involve intentionally setting fire to specific areas where the slugs have gathered. The intense heat from the controlled fires effectively eliminates not only the ice slugs but also their eggs and nesting sites. While controlled burns can be effective in eradicating the invasive species, they also carry inherent risks. Authorities must carefully plan and execute these burns to prevent the fires from spreading uncontrollably and causing unintended harm to the environment, nearby structures, and wildlife. Challenges and future directions. The implementation of such aggressive eradication methods is not without its challenges, balancing the need to protect the local ecosystem and native species while eradicating the ice slugs requires careful planning and ongoing monitoring. Researchers and environmental agencies are working together to study the potential long-term effects of these eradication methods on the ecosystem's overall health. As the battle against the invasive ice slug continues, efforts are being made to refine and optimize these eradication techniques. This includes exploring alternative methods, such as the development of biological control agents or targeted genetic interventions that could weaken or suppress ice slug populations. The ultimate goal is to find a solution to eliminate the threat posed by this highly dangerous invasive species, mitigating its impact on both the environment and human populations.